In this video, we will learn about strings in Python. Strings are sequence of characters. To assign character string to a variable, we can use variable name str1 and assign it to character string hello world in single quotes. You can also use double quotes, and then we can also print our string. To find the length of a string, we can use length function len and then our string variable. It will print the length of our string, the number of character in our string. We can access string character with index. String index starts from 0. The first item is at index 0 in string. The second is at index 1, and so on. To print first item in our string 1 variable, we can use print and then our string variable name and the array notation or array syntax, and then our index location. The first character start from 0, and if you want to print the second element, we can do here same thing, just need to change the index number. The second will be 1. We can join two strings into a new string with concatenation with the plus sign. For example, str1, we will save new string into this variable, and then we can concatenate another string such as abc, and then we will print our new string. We can also use repetition with strings. str1, then we can use repetition. For example, if you want to repeat the string 3 times, you can multiply like this. Then we're gonna print its value. Now we can save our program and run it. You need to type Python and then our program name string str.py. You can see the result. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.